Okay, I'm back with an electric field and a capacitor. Okay, so capacitors also give off force. They release force on particles. Um, so, for example, there's a particle right here in the question, and yeah. So, in a capacitor like this, it also has just force going from positive to negative, and it also has potential and kinetic energy. Okay. So when we have our particle, it's going to have some charge Q, okay? And that charge Q times E, which I like to think of as kind of the magnitude of the electric field, is going to be equal to your force. I'm not going to say why right now, but maybe in a future video I will. But for now, all we need to know is Q times E equals force, okay? So Q times E equals force, right? That means, and let's just say that this ball is going down like 1 meter, okay? So there's a 1 meter, it has 1 meter to go until it's completely done, like it's all the way at the negative side, right? Okay, so we want to calculate the work, the potential energy of Q, of that charged particle, right? Not Q, the charged particle. So we can do force times distance, or times 1 meter, equals work, okay? So that's going to be the potential energy of that Q, okay? And I keep calling it Q, I'm sorry. It's a particle. It is not known as Q. Sorry about that. But yeah, so that charged particle will have, it has a potential energy of force times 1 meter. And so let's say it moves down half a meter, right? So that would mean that it would lose half of its potential energy, and that potential energy would be converted into kinetic energy. Just like in our other example, except now it's an electric field, not a gravitational field. Okay. So let's say let's say that the potential energy was 10 joules, and then now the potential energy is 5 joules. How many joules do you think the kinetic energy was, right? It's going to be 5 joules. Because again, the potential energy at the beginning equals the potential energy at the end plus how much kinetic energy was created in the process. Okay. Yeah, so that pretty much wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.